Why do 80% of beginners give up learning Python? It's because they don't have a clear plan. Let's change that. Whether you're new to coding or just need a refresh, we've got you covered. Day 1 to 5, start with the basics. Learn about variables, data types, and simple operations. Days 6 to 10, dive into loops and conditionals. Practice makes perfect, so write lots of code. By days 11 to 15, you'll be ready for functions and modules. These are your building blocks. Days 16 to 20, take on lists, dictionaries, and file handling. Real-world tasks become easier. From days 21 to 25, explore libraries like NumPy and Pandas. They make data manipulation a breeze. Finally, days 26 to 30, work on a project. Apply what you've learned. Build something cool and share it with the world. Remember, the key is consistency. Code every day, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. You're on your way to Python mastery. Ready? Let's do this.